Good afternoon, students. So, where we have finished, in the last lab, we were explaining that this 4-bit adder, fine. So, we have been reached till this, and after that, I explain you its RTL schematic and synthesis report. Today, we are going to, my voice is audible? Yeah. Today, we are going to discuss the first sequential circuit programming, that is JK and D flip flop. So particularly in this circuitry, what is going to be happen, like JK and D flip-flop, we all know the theoretical concept and all. Only this thing I expect from your side, that draw these JK flip-flop truth table and D. Although you know, because that is a main thing when we do the JK flip-flop programming. In that time, we take the signal and variable, and for justification, you need see when 0 0 no change in the output, and when 1 1 is going to there, the output is going to get toggle. So these are two values that is getting, one is getting the previous value and another is just toggling the previous value. So that you need to negotiate. For that, uh, truth table must be considered, or in the D it is very simple, like whatever is in my D, that is going to comes out at the output. ठीक है, बना लो. ये सर्किट बनाना इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, लेकिन ये ट्रुथ टेबल बना लो. Fine. Now the VHDL programming, apart from this library, what you need to do is clock reset, and both the input need to be there. I just don't copy paste. We will write the programming while doing that, so don't bother too much. Fine. So clock reset JK QQN. Then architecture signal is going to be FF. Process is that is the clock and reset. See, one variable we are taking and one signal. So there is a slight difference in the signals and variables. Variable take the instant value that I am taking here, and signal take value but with a delay of nanosecond. Generally, you can consider that variable is a kind of wire, and it is mainly used in structural programming, whereas variable is mainly used in behavioral level of programming. Fine. Why we are taking this? Because this signal we are taking for getting output, because one place whatever output is there, that will act as an input for another, for this concept. When I want to this get this output and I want to toggle this. Fine. Okay. So here is the condition 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1, and when others, then what changes are needed. Don't bother too much. We will perform on a Xilinx itself. Then the things are going to be more clear when we see the simulation of this. Fine, better. Now, second is a D flip flop. Here I am taking reset clock and data is my input, and Q and QB or Q bar is my output. Architecture, clock and reset is going to be there. Fine. So when reset is 1, nothing need to be happened, and when reset becomes 0 and clock tick even and clock is 1, then this process used to be there. That is its RTL schematic. You can take the screenshot. Fine. And these are the waveforms. First take this and that. Now this waveform. Fine. Now we will execute it on a Xilinx. I already made this. This is programming. DFF clock reset D Q Q bar is there, and reset clock and D bit to begin. Reset 1 है तो Q0 and Q bar 1 हो जाए. Just opposite of that. And else if clock tick even and clock is 1, then Q is assigned to the value of D and Q bar is assigned to not of D. Else nullify. Then and of this, see what I told you, whatever um, equations or the statement we use, we require and if of that. So that is and if, and end of process, end of behavior. After that, I told you as we go for the test bench waveform. So what you need to do, you click here, new source, test bench waveform. I'm giving the name. फाइन क्लॉक अभी से पहले अपन सब में कॉम्बिनेशनल सेलेक्ट करते थे बट दिस इज अ सिक्वेंशियल सर्किट ऑफ अ सिंगल क्लॉक तो दैट वी नीड टू डू फिनिश नाउ इसमें हम रीसेट जो है इसको पहले एक बार वन रखेंगे और फिर एक क्लॉक के बाद इसको नीचे कर देंगे ठीक है एंड हियर इज अ डी इनपुट वी विल फ्रिक्वेंटली चेंज एंड सी व्हाट आर द चेंजेस दैट इज कमिंग टू बी अकर ठीक है. Now here again as the procedure speaks we need to go to the behavioral and here on the process simulator. Yes. First we need to generate and then simulate. See it came. When reset is 1 nothing is happening और हमने Q को 0 और Q बार को 1 किया वो आ गया जैसे ही 0 हुआ. So whatever value is in the जैसे D में 0 है तो 0 आ गया जहाँ 1 हो रहा है और the changes will occur at the rising edge of the clock. That is good. ठीक है, take the screenshot of that. Now we'll proceed for the JK flip-flop. Have you completed? Fine. Again, here we need to go for the synthesis. Here on the process, family में गए new source, VHDL module, JK, FF नाम ले लिया. Next, क्या क्या input रहेगा? एक तो reset is 1, then clock is going to be there. Then J will be my one input and K will be my another input. Then Q and Q bar. As we have given, these will be our outputs. Fine. See, it came JKFF. Fine. Now, see, as the programming is moving ahead, but yes, I am not जैसे यहाँ सिग्नल और ये लिया है in the same manner we need to take. So what we will do generally the signals are going to define before the begin of architecture. So signal एक हमने X signal ले लिया है ठीक है STD underscore logic type. Fine, then the begin came. Now I am taking one variable. That variable is xx. ये हम 2 bit का लेंगे std underscore logic underscore vector और 1 down to 0. Fine. Now the begin. ठीक है. Now again the same process which we have done, that if reset equals to 1, when reset equals to 1, then what used to be there? Nothing used to be happen. Fine. So we will just write down Q is assigned to 0 and Q bar assigned to 1. Just opposite हो जाएगा उसके जो भी Q रहेगा. Now comes its else of reset. When my reset is becoming 0. So in that case, now हम clock की condition लगाएंगे. If clock tick event and clock is going to 1, then fine. Now what you need to do, the one thing which when I explain, I told you ये जो हम जेके फ्लिप फ्लॉप ले रहे हैं इसको हम यहाँ पे कनकेट कर देंगे और हम ऊपर भी कर सकते हैं. सो बेटर विल डू लाइक ये वेरिएबल है तो एट इंस्टेंट वैल्यू लेता है तो हम केस स्टेटमेंट के पहले इसको दे देंगे इफ क्लॉक टिक इवन एंड दिस. ठीक है, तो एट इंस्टेंट क्या हो, एक्स एक्स जो डबल एक्स लिया है मैंने उसको हम क्या कर रहे हैं जे और ये कनकेट का साइन होता है, कनकेट कर मतलब दोनों को मर्ज कर दिया. अब हम केस किसका लेंगे, केस हम एक्स एक्सेस का लेंगे. क्या लेंगे, वैन 0 0 वैन 0 0 व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर और 0 0 पे तो नो चेंज है, वो प्रीवियस वैल्यू लेगा सो डोंट बॉदर. वैन 0 1 देन हम ये सिंगल वाला जो एप्स है और अगर तुम्हें इतना कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है तो इसको ले लो ओ आउट. ठीक है, और इसको ले लो इन इन. ठीक है, दैट इज फॉर अवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर्पस. ठीक है, व्हेन दिस तो क्या हो जाना चाहिए, आउट जो है दैट आउट आउट पी कर दो इसको. आउट पी जो है दैट इज गोइंग टू बी out p is assigned to 0. Right? When it is 1 0, so out p is assigned to 1. When it is 1 1, out p is assigned to not of out p. That's it we did. ठीक है, और अब यहाँ हम 0 0 ले लेंगे लास्ट में. Out p is assigned to out p means whatever is the last value that comes out. And when others out p is assigned to null. ठीक है, then end of case and it is our habit. end of if बाकी सारा हो गया. अब एंड ऑफ केस जहां कर रहे हैं एंड इफ होने से पहले here we need to assign the value. Q is assign the value of out p and Q bar should assign the value not of out p. That you need to give. ना अब समझ में आया हमने ये आउट पी सिग्नल क्यों लिया था. इन पे तो अपन ने कनकेट करने के लिए लिया सो दैट अपन इस तरह से उसको लिख सके इजी वे में. आउट पे हमने क्यों लिया था, बिकॉज द आउटपुट जो भी रहता है उसको हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे नहीं ले सकते, बट आफ्टर दिस यू कैन टेक दिस आउटपुट ऑन दिस साइड एंड लेटर यू आर डूइंग दिस. इसको रन करा देंगे. Unexpected variables, wait a minute, 44. Wait a minute, 2 if लगाए अपन ने. Yes, one more. and it is needed. और क्या एरर आ रही है? अनएक्सपेक्टेड वेरिएबल 44. Yes, one thing we also come from after this, after the variable allotment, I suppose we missed process के begin के पहले this come architecture begin process we didn't include it. Process हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Reset and clock. Some errors are coming. We'll see in the next class. Okay. Bye, beta. So is it clear? We just write the input and output and we perform this. This error we will remove in the next class. You will also try and I will also.